Good morning everyone, myself Shabarna Chatterjee. Today we are going to learn structure of atoms. Now what is matter? Matter consists of some small unit or small particles. So the smallest unit of matter is called atom. This name is given by Democritus. Firstly, he proposed that the matter is composed of atoms. Atoms retain its chemical identity in all the physical and chemical changes. In 1908, John Dalton proposed atomic theory. It has some postulates. Number 1. Every matter is made of atoms. Every matter is made of atoms. Number 2. Atoms are indivisible and indestructible. Number 3. Specific element have only one type of atoms in it. Number 4. Each atom has its own constant mass that varies from element to element. Number 5. Atoms undergo rearrangement during chemical reactions. Number 6. Atoms can neither be destroyed nor be created, but they can transform into one form to another. This model is successfully explained the law of chemical reactions, but it has some demerits. What is the demerits? Number 1. It was unable to explain the existence of isotope. Number 2, it does not reveal the structure of atom. Number 3, later it is discovered that atoms are divisible. Now, the fact that atom is consist of 3 subatomic particles, that is proton, neutron and electrons. Nucleus is the center of atom. It made of 2 particles, that is proton and neutron. Proton is positively charged subatomic particle and neutron is neutral. Electrons is the negatively charged particle which are revolving around the nucleus. This is the total atomic structure. That is, atomic structure is consist of one nucleus and electrons which are surrounded the nucleus, which are revolving around the nucleus, and the nucleus is made of proton and neutron. Now I show a picture. This is the structure of atom. This is a picture of an atom. Now this is nucleus. Nucleus is made of proton and neutron. Proton is positively charged particle, subatomic particle, and neutron is neutral particle. This is electron which revolve around the nucleus, and this total is the structure of an atom. Total number of proton and neutron is called mass number of the element, and the total number of proton is called atomic number of an element. Number of proton and number of electron is always same. For this, the atom is electrically neutral. Now, after the failure of Dalton's theory, John Thomson put forth his model. He got Nobel Prize for the discovery of negatively charged particle electron. His model consists of the cathode ray experiment. It describes the atomic structure as a positively charged sphere, and negatively charged electron were embedded into it. It describes atoms are electrically neutral, but it has also some demerits. Its limitations is it does not explain the stability of the atom. Now next is Rutherford model. Rutherford modified the structure of atom by invented the another subatomic particle, that is nucleus. This model is based on alpha ray scattering experiment. What it says? It says that number 1, nucleus is the center of atom. Nucleus is the center of atom and the most charged and the mass are concentrated into it. Number 2, atomic structure are spherical. Number 3, electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a circular way, similar to the solar system. That's planets orbit to the sun. Electrons also revolving in the circular orbit. It has also some limitations. It also does not explain the stability of atom. After that, Niels Bohr put forth his theory, his model in 1915, and it is popular, very popular and most widely used model to explain atomic structure. What it says? It says that the electron inside the atoms are placed in discrete orbit called stationary orbit. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus in these stationary orbits. Number 2, the energy level of this shell can be represented by the quantum number. Number 3, electron can jump to higher level by absorbing energy and move to the lower level by emitting energy. As long as electron stays in its own stationary orbit and there is no exchange of energy, that is no absorption and no emission of energy. The energy of these orbits is quantized. It has also some limitations. What are they? It works only for single electron species, that is hydrogen, helium plus, etc. Number 2, it also failed to explain Zeeman effect. It only successfully explained the hydrogen spectrum. Now that's all for today. Thank you.